I am a hot mess. Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I know how much you guys love pack with me videos, and since we're going to Mexico in a couple days, I thought it might be fun for us to pack my carry-on together. So I recently got a new tote from Coach. It's the Coach and Michael B. Jordan collaboration. It has this mummified T-Rex on the front. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. My husband's nickname is T-Rex, so he was very much a fan of me getting this bag. So I'm going to be packing this along with, oh my gosh, I have so much stuff here on the side, but along with my Coach waist bag. But before we jump into it, I just want to welcome anyone who's new to my channel. My name's Sarah. I create content on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see the Cancun vlog, and also hit that notification bell. I am also doing Vlogmas this month, so there's videos going up literally every single day, so I'd love it if you join me for the Vlogmas season. And of course, please don't forget to like this video and leave me a comment. Let me know what one of your carry-on essentials are. But let's just get straight to packing. There's a lot of stuff. So as much as I love this bag, I do have to say one of the drawbacks about it is the fact that there are no pockets. So I have to kind of like pack everything within smaller bags. But actually, you know what? The easier one to start with is going to be the waist bag, because this is where all of my essentials are going to go. So we'll start there. So in the front pocket, I'm going to pack my cell phone. It fits so perfectly in there. That's why I always put in there. But in the back, I'm going to pack my wallet. It's going to throw it right in here, along with my passport, very essential. I mean, we are traveling internationally. And the passport holder that I'm using right now is for my cousin Jill. Hi Jill, if you're watching this. But actually in here, I also want to pack, ugh, don't tell me I've already lost it again. I am a hot mess. But in the passport holder, I figured I'd go ahead and put my vaccination card in there as well, just that way it doesn't get lost. And I have those two very, very essential international travel documents together in an easy to grab spot. And the last thing that'll go in here will be my vlog camera, because I will be vlogging. Hold on, I gotta rearrange. Okay, vlog camera first. Hold on, rearranging. Maybe I'm gonna put the wallet in the front pocket. I know for a fact it can fit in there with the cell phone, so we'll put those two in the front pocket, then just the camera and passport in the back. So that's all I'm gonna do in here. I don't want to get this one too cluttered. I really want it to be truly just the essentials that I'm, you know, constantly gonna need to grab for. She's set, ready to go. Then next up is the carry-on. Now actually for the waist bag, they don't count that as like a separate item. So if you guys are bringing a bag and you're just barely running out of room, bring a waist bag, because it will kind of get counted as part of your outfit as opposed to like a separate like personal item or carry-on bag. So little pro tip there. Into my Coach bag, the first thing that I'm gonna pack is my laptop. It's Vlogmas. I'm gonna be working on Vlogmas even while we're on vacation, so gotta make sure those videos still get up for you guys. So I'm bringing the laptop. I'm not gonna pack the charger quite yet because I use that to charge my phone, so I leave that plugged in and I take it with me at the last minute. Then in that case, might as well go ahead and pack the electronics. I have an extra battery for the vlog camera, a couple of portable chargers, very importante, my external hard drive, a charger for all of my stuff. They all use pretty much the same cord, so that's nice. I just have to bring the one cord, and then a little mini ring light. Does it even turn on? I need a charger, but I am gonna pack her in here for right now. If I forget to charge it before I leave, I can always charge it at the airport. It doesn't take very long. Okay, I'm gonna switch bags. 1 second. This is gonna be more appropriate of a size for my electronics, and this is just like the electronics that I want to keep close to the vest. There are going to be like some more stuff that I'm going to bring, like this camera I'm bringing, but I'm going to pack it in a different carry-on that's going to go up top. This is just for like electronics and stuff that I want to have on hand and easy to grab underneath the seat, because I need it specifically for vlogging and stuff. Got those in. I will also actually need the charger for the camera batteries, but it's downstairs charging another battery, so I'll just pack her right before I leave. But that's electronics, and actually I should be able to fit the computer charger in here too, so just know that that'll go in there as well. Okay, I have a ton of bags here. Again, just a little reminder, we're gonna be packing a lot of stuff. So then in this little bag, I'm gonna pack some Clorox wipes, some hand sanitizer, a pen, and I was actually just downstairs right now before I started filming, and I was like looking at Trevor. I was like, should I make sure to pack a pen? And he was like, what for? And I was like, every single time we're on an international flight and they pass out those like customs forms, we're always sitting there like asking everyone around us if they have a pen we can borrow. And then he was like, you know what, you're right. pack a pen. So bring a pen on an international flight in case you need to fill out any documents. I think the only airline lately that I've flown internationally on that has supplied us pens was Qantas. So yeah, bring a pen. We also needed to fill out forms when we went to Hawaii earlier this year, so I could have used a pen for that. Oh, actually, I just realized I forgot about my mask. This should actually go in the waist bag, obviously. I mean, I'm mainly going to be wearing it, but I won't have the habit of putting it in the waist bag in case, you know, I'm taking it on and off for any reason. And this mask is a Skims mask. You guys know I really love their face masks. Ooh, this one almost feels stretched out, but like in a good way. It's really comfortable. Nice. I always feel like I look like a ninja when I wear the black ones. But in this one, I'm also gonna pack my sunscreen. This is the Tula Protect & Glow sunscreen, a scrunchie. I love this scrunchie. This is my favorite one. I got it off of Etsy. I like it because it's really comfortable to sleep on. So if I'm sleeping on the plane with my hair up, it's like not gonna hurt or anything. So I'll do that. I'm also gonna do a pair of socks. I am gonna wear a pair of socks already onto the plane, but it doesn't hurt to have an extra pair because planes are freaking cold, you know? So I'm just gonna roll her up nice and compact. There we go. That should be good. And then lastly, a little hair clip. Sometimes I want to put my hair up in a clip. It's just how it is. That's the first little bag that we're gonna pack in here. Second little bag is gonna be just like a little bit of makeup and skincare. Since we are flying overnight, we land, I think at like 1 p.m. So when getting off the plane, I just want to feel like I look refreshed and stuff and presentable. So I'm not going to do like a ton of makeup, just like enough to make me look refreshed and not just like I flew for hours on an international flight. We'll start with the skincare. Of course, the Summer Fridays jet lag mask, essential. And then I'm also going to pack this little mini, it's so cute. This is a mini Laneige sleeping mask. This one is in Mint Choco, which I know sounds like it wouldn't smell good, but it smells really, really good. It mainly just smells like mint. And then lastly, an eye cream. This is the Versed Zero G Smoothing Eye Cream. And I like this one for daytime because it has a little bit of a peach tint to it and not like a sparkle or like a sheen or anything, but a little bit of a, I guess, a radiance to it. It kind of makes you look a little bit more alive and awake. Then just the makeup stuff, starting off with the Becca Zero Pigment Virtual Foundation. You guys know the drill. Unfortunately, Becca has closed its doors, so that's no longer available. I apologize. But in its place, I will link the Milk Blur Stick. That is another option that I like to bring as well when I'm not going to wear foundation because it just kind of like blurs out everything on your face. I would pack that except for the fact that I can't find it. So just know if I could find it, I would pack it instead of the Becca Zero. Okay, the other thing that I'm gonna pack is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Cream Bronzer. It definitely gives a more like natural bronze to the face, which is great for when you're not wearing foundation. And then also the Jaclyn Cosmetics Putty Highlighter. Again, this one is really, really great for when you're not wearing foundation on your face. It can go on bare skin and just kind of look like the skin is naturally radiant. I just put a new light in one of my lights and one side is definitely brighter than the other. Maybe I should replace this one too because it looks really dull. Anyway, sorry. Moving on. The other thing that I'm gonna pack is this Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick in khaki. I don't necessarily know if I'm going to use this when I'm getting off the plane. I don't think I want to fully cover my face in makeup, but in case I do, this is a good option because it's like nice and compact and I can blend out with my fingers really easily. But regardless of whether I'm wearing a base or not, I am going to use this Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced. Again, this one's really easy to just like blend out with my fingers. And the color on this that I'm using is Natural Beige. So it's like just barely lighter than my skin color. So it'll still brighten my under eyes a little bit, but I can also use it to spot conceal as needed. And also to make me look a little bit more alive without having to put on foundation. The ColourPop Cheek Dew Serum Blush. I love this formula. I couldn't find it for the longest time. I literally just found it today, so I was so excited. Also gonna bring my eyeliner, the Endless Silky Eye Pen from Pixi. I love it. That's my favorite eyeliner in the world. Some mascara, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Eyelash curler, essential to making you look a little bit more wide awake. And I'm so sorry to keep showing discontinued beauty stuff, but I'm gonna pack my Tati Beauty Blendiful. I'm so sad that Tati is closing down Tati Beauty because this Blendiful is so good. I really, really love it when I'm just trying to do my makeup quickly because, you know, you don't have to get it wet and you can use it for powder, you can use it for cream, and it blends everything so nicely. So I'm sad that this isn't available anymore, but I'm gonna hold on to this for as long as I can, because especially when I'm doing a face like this where I'm not gonna set it with powder, this Blendiful is absolutely essential. Then I'm gonna bring this Lauren Conrad lip gloss. What color was this? I think it's Dawn or something like that. Yep, this is in the shade Dawn. It's sheer, but it does give a bit of a wash of color, which is nice because my lips can look pale, especially in the morning, and especially if I do up the rest of my face. So I just need a little bit of color, and that's like the perfect lip gloss for it. And then lastly, I'm gonna pack this clear brow mascara. I just got my brows laminated, that's why they look so good. And the girl who did it had this in her little aftercare kit, which was so nice. I've never seen someone actually give full product in their aftercare kit, so I'll definitely be going back to her. But since my brows are laminated, I don't have to worry too much about them. This is just to like clean them up in case, you know, while I'm sleeping, I like move them and stuff. Also gonna include a nail file. You never know when you're gonna need one, and actually I'm not gonna put it in this one. It's too big. So instead I'm gonna put just a little mini perfume. This is Juliet Has a Gun in Monsieur Mule. And I think that that's gonna be it for this one, right? I don't have anything else. Nope. That's it. Then we're gonna pack just a couple of other beauty essentials in here that I may end up needing, I'm not quite sure. But first off, the Revlon oil roller thing. I love this thing. It's so good. The Merit Shade Slick in Taupe. Jaclyn Cosmetics, again, the Hot Tropic collection was so good from her this year. I'm so sad that all of that was limited edition, but I'm gonna pack the lip oil from it. I got mine in the color Ruby Drip. Gonna pack a little compact, again this from my cousin, the passport holder, and this were in her bridesmaid proposal box because her wedding is gonna be in Tulum next December. So I'm literally gonna go to Mexico 2 Decembers in a row, but I'm not mad, I'm not complaining. But so for her bridesmaid proposal box, it was like all travel stuff, which is really cute and very handy for me. A little mini brush. This is the wet brush, a Guasa, in case I feel like I'm looking puffy. I can go ahead and do a little quick routine to kind of get the fluid out of my face. And then the Versed Silk Slip Conditioning Lip Oil. This is my favorite lip oil, hands down. It's so good. It is transparent though, so if my lips are feeling a little pale, I need to put some kind of color underneath it. But the formula is super moisturizing. It's perfection. Do I need this many lip products? Absolutely not. Am I still gonna pack this many lip products? Absolutely. And then the last thing that I am also gonna pack in here is a little deodorant for obvious reasons. I mean, I'm traveling, I'm flying. I'll probably end up getting smelly. It's just how it goes, part of life. And then lastly in this one, just like, you know, some more like sanitary, general lifestyle essentials for traveling. First off, Lysol disinfectant spray. Self-explanatory. This ultra rich hand cream, this is from Skin Fix. My skin dries out so much when I travel, and it bugs me when my hands feel really dry. So I always keep this in my carry-on because I always want to moisturize my hands. I'm gonna pack the nail file in here because that's the only bag it fits in. Tide to Go pen in case I'm spilling on myself, which I probably will. Some tissues. I hope I don't get the sniffles because I don't want to freak people out, but you know, we'll pack that in case. My Benadryl itching cooling spray. I probably don't really need this on the way there, but I am gonna leave it in my carry-on in case I need it on the way back. I don't know what the bug situation is in Mexico, but it is closer to the equator and bugs love me. So I'm pretty positive I'll end up needing that. I'm also gonna go ahead and pack an extra mask in here just in case, you know, I accidentally lose that other one, drop it or whatever. I hope not, because Kim's masks are not cheap. They're not crazy expensive, but they're also not cheap. And then lastly, a big claw clip, just in case. I like to have options for my hair. Is it unnecessary? Yes. Am I gonna do it? Absolutely. Then just like some loose bits and pieces. My vlogging tripod, more than likely, I'm just gonna hold my camera, but if I feel like I want to prop it up somewhere, I'm gonna keep the tripod close by. And then I'm also gonna pack my Vela sunglasses that I unboxed in my Cancun haul. I love these. I'm so excited to wear them. I have not worn them at all yet. I've been trying to hold off so that it's really like for Cancun. It's been very difficult because I really want to wear these. I love them. Then this time around, I am packing snacks for myself just cause. First up, Trader Joe's mini peanut butter nuggets. I'm obsessed with these. You guys, specifically the mini ones are so good. Like, you can just keep snacking on them. But it's nice because they do have like a little bit of protein, so it's gonna be a little bit more satisfying than a bag of chips. That's not to say that I won't buy chips at the airport. I probably will, but I'll probably still be hungry after that, so I'll probably also snack on a few of these. And of course, Smart Sweets. These are essential when you're traveling. They are the best snacks to bring. So I'm gonna bring the Fruity Gummy Bears, my favorite, which is the watermelon and then the peach rings. And lastly, again, for another little protein kick, and this is if I'm super hungry, I'm gonna bring a couple of these chopsticks. I like the original turkey stick because it's not spicy. I can't handle spice, and I also don't eat beef, so turkey it is. But these are really, really good. I love these as like a quick snack when I'm really hungry and I need something that's gonna curb that hunger. This is so good because it's just all meat, so it's very filling. So in that goes. And then lastly, my new travel pillow. This is an infinity travel pillow, and oh, it's just so good. Like, you can just snuggle up with it. It's perfect. I'm very excited for this travel pillow. I'm gonna put this one on the top. And that is it for my carry-on. This tote is like literally the most perfect size. I love it. No regrets on getting it. All right, friends, well, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed packing my carry-on with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and join me for Vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Vlogmas video, obviously. And also, please make sure to like this video and leave me a comment below. But anyways, I need to get going. I'm gonna keep packing the rest of my luggage for Cancun. I've got a lot to do. I'm a little bit overwhelmed, but it's fine. It's gonna be okay. I'll be fine. Also, too, follow me on social media. I will have all my handles in the description below. I'm already there, actually, so I've probably already been posting stories and TikToks, so definitely follow me on social media. But anyways, I'm gonna get going. I've got a lot to do. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you very soon again tomorrow for Vlogmas. Bye.